Here we go. Oh! Yes!
Okay, get up. Oh, hi there. When did you come here?
What's up, kitty? This is your favorite Qtees cat. So, welcome to our first day in Manila.
Yeah, we arrived here today.
We arrived at around 12 p.m. We checked in around 3 p.m. Now we just got ready to go out to the Mall of Asia because it's just right next to the Conrad. So we're gonna go there and have some dinner
and look around. A lot of kids say it takes a day to look around. Like
yeah,
it's not
really
even
large.
You know.
And a lot of you cuties really scared us that there's like a typhoon going around and so many rains. But
the weather's so good.
Oh my god. Thank you, Lord.
I mean, there is some like cloud and stuff.
Yeah, but at least not raining, right?
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't rain during the meet and greet though.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's that hot. I can handle it, but it's very humid, right? So our hair's gonna get really frizzy.
Yeah. And everyone in this Conrad is so nice.
Yeah.
We'll give you guys a quick tour of this room because this room is awesome.
Yes. And this place is only like a few minutes drive from the airport,
like
which is
15
perfect.
to 20 minutes.
So we used the Grab app, like our cutie said.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
We just came out of the arrival exit 1 and then we got the Grab, told the taxi driver that there's gonna be 3 ladies standing there, and then he was there. So really
So far,
cheap
so
too,
good.
right?
So Kyuan is wearing this, a simple jumpsuit. So pretty, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
But the V-neck was like too deep, so I kind of like
Put a pencil
put
there.
it there too. Yeah, gonna hide my boob.
Okay.
On her Violina earring. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And her long extension hair.
Okay, so for Kyujin, she's wearing this. Where's this from? This is from a cutie from is it Indonesia or Singapore. It's okay. Well, it was from a guy.
Yeah.
You mean where we went to the Sonyeon cafe?
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
He actually replied back
Yeah.
on our comment section.
I think his name was
Ray.
Ryan. Okay. Anyway, yeah, thank you. And then she's wearing the jumpsuit, which is really cute, and like the back, it has all these like what do you call elasticity, so it's really comfortable. And then she's wearing the Charles and Keats bag. And for her shoes,
I'm gonna wear this.
she's gonna wear this Zara shoe that our Papa Kiki bought it for her. I wore this at the Indonesia the whole time. When did you bought this? When they were doing a summer sale at Zara, but I got this really long time ago, so I wore this during the Indonesia trip. The entire time I wore this.
Okay. Okay, spring. Okay, good.
So now we'll do a room tour. We'll show you from the entrance.
Okay.
So here's a huge closet. We're gonna put all our clothing here. Ta-da! Mama Cuckoo's
I love this
closet. And there's like this nice chair here. You can like wear your shoes and stuff. There's a huge washroom. This is the toilet where you do your business. You put the key here. And right next to it is a water drop. A waterfall shower. And here's a huge sink. And then right here, iron.
This is something that we really need.
Yeah.
Oh my god. They have an extra umbrella. Why did we bring our own umbrella then? Oh my god.
And they have a safe box here.
Huge mirror here. Hi.
And then if you come here, I was like, what is this? And then I open it, ta-da.
So cool.
Look at all these tempting treats. Oh, I still want this. It's like a coffee.
Ooh.
What? Oh my god, there's something on the floor. Oh.
You okay? No. Where's my biscuit?
Where's my biscuit? Coffee maker. And there's also a fridge. Good done. I put my sheet mask here. Oh, look. Mommy bought noni inside here. So a lot of our cuties say no, you guys can get noni at the Mercury drugstore. So we're planning to go there. Here's the TV.
Yeah, here's the TV.
And here's our 2-bed. Are you gonna do this every time? Amazing, and I love this sofa. Oh my god, look at this view. If only this view was like ocean, that would be amazing.
And can you see that this window is kind of like slanted?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so here you go, guys. Oh, and here's an office. Okay, so cuties. I'm gonna sleep now.
By the way, look at this.
Yeah. Mama Cookie has been using this bag.
Yeah.
YouTuber.
The YouTuber. When she was like walking the airport, like, I am a YouTuber.
Oh yeah, she also bought this.
This
The
is
fan.
also a gift from Qtees from Jakarta.
Yep.
And I'm gonna use this to shield sun.
Yeah, perfect. So we're gonna head out to the Mall of Asia and have our first meal in Manila. So excited! Let's go. Hi, Mama Cuckoo.
Hello, everybody. See you soon.
That was okay.
And a pass.
Yes.
By the way, the lobby of the Conrad Hotel is amazing. It has like a beach view. We'll show you guys.
Downstairs. Food. Let's go for food. So hungry. Let's do all the self check. 1, 2, 3. Self check. Self check. Self check. Self check. Who's hungry? Me. Who's hungry? Me. Who's hungry? Me.
The humidity is crazy here. My camera's gonna get so bad.
So I think we arrived.
Yeah, it was so close.
Yeah,
Like
5-minute
walk? Not even 5 minutes. So I guess Mall of Asia is like an outdoor outlet mall, right?
Yeah, there's
not
no
like an indoor. So it's quite humid here. We just met one of our cuties from Cebu. She's actually not from Manila. She came to visit here from Cebu and then she saw us. Thank you for saying hi. Oh, we didn't ask her name. Oh yeah, we were kind of like shy because right now, like, I don't know, like everything's kind of new, so we'll get used to it. Oh my god.
We used to play this when we were so young.
Yeah, man.
This is so fun.
Yes. Oh my god.
But they have it in seashell because we used to have a marble. Yeah.
Sister, some new flute for you?
new flute.
Sister, Kiana, here's a handy one. Handy flute. So can you try this out?
Wow, this is so big.
It was so light.
Oh, it's so big. So we just found our favorite section. I bet this is a crumbly peanut cookies and cream. Oh my god. Wait, what is this? Donut? Sister, hold this. So heavy. The peanut milk chocolate. There's legit so many yummy things in Manila. Oh my god. I wanna try durian. Durian? I wanna try durian. Maybe we can try like dried durians. There's like bunch of sample for this. What is this? The assorted soft cookies. Oh, it's crumbly.
이런 거야.
We're so hungry right now, so we're eating all the samples. Good?
It's not.
얘는 피넛이 아니기 때문에 얘는 좀
It
맛이
smells very like nutty. Smells like popcorn. Butter popcorn.
It's very nutty.
There's so many samples. Mango caramel cashew.
I'll give to mommy.
Okay, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. I think that's
Caramel cashew and mango.
맛있어.
sweet flakes, squid bites. So Qjin posted an Instagram saying that we're at the health options on the Instagram, and then she ran to there. Oh my god! Thank you so much for saying hi. Mom just bought her dinner and this. Oh yeah, that one. Some kind of ribs, and we're gonna get salad stop.
Listening, no, I'm in different.
Wow.
Oh, there's a rice?
Yeah. How's the rice?
Yummy.
So hungry, right? Yeah. The only food we ate was in the airplane. Yeah, the bibimbap. Yeah.
Hungry.
Oh my god, look at this. This is mom's geisha wrap, which we had it last time at Jakarta, right? Yeah. These are ours? That is so cute. So there's tofu, and I think these are quinoa.
right?
Yeah. And there was an egg, but we switched it to jalapeno.
Some spinach and peas and what is this? What do you call this?
Corn, asshole.
Corn. And some really yummy steak. Hey.
Ooh, I love jalapeno.
I like the portion. Good.
Really? That's really good.
Meal of the day. Quinoa.
Oh, I thought it's gonna be hot, but it's actually cool.
But I bet the tofu is hard, right?
Let me try this one. Let me try the tofu. It's like a cracker. Tofu's so good. I think it's kind of like marinated or something. I don't know. It's not salty at all. It's not sweet.
맛있어? Are you done?
What's up, Qtees? Oh my god, I'm so tired.
We used to walk from the Mall of Asia to here, and we were holding like 6 liters of water each. Cause you gotta drink water. Yeah.
When we came back to Conrad Hotel, they left this cute little doll.
Oh my god.
You can bring this, right?
Yeah, of course.
And today, we fell in love with this shop called Healthy Options. So many vegan cookies and chips and chocolates and everything. Everything's vegan, man. Even like cereal, bars, chocolate bars. Oh my god. I wanna live there. I hope like Korea has that kind of store. Yeah, I didn't know Manila had that much vegan options. Yeah. Oh my god. And we got this. It's called Harvest Snappy Crisp. I never tried this before, but we never get to try for ourselves. So.
Orgasm.
Look at this! Wow!
Thumbnail.
Here we go. Oh! Yes! Kind of a wasabi cake. Yeah, because it's a wasabi. Oh, really? Wasabi ranch. Hey, it's baked. It's baked. Oh, really? Yeah. Gluten free. Yay, it's baked. Bread and fried. So good. I can just eat this. We're gonna finish this whole thing today.
Of course. This is called life.
To be honest, this is better than the salad stuff. Yeah, okay. Mom was trying to eat she really want to try the Jollibee spaghetti because the Jollibee spaghetti is really sweet from what I know. But she was so full, so she's gonna have that later. But we also have Jollibee in LA. But not a lot. Okay, so today we didn't plan really a lot, right? We didn't expect what's gonna happen, so we just went with the flow. But tomorrow we have a really good solid plan. First in the morning, we're gonna get a tour from the dessert museum. We're gonna get so many ritual photos. After that, we're gonna have a meeting with our cuties
From camp?
from camp who help us organizing the meet and greet event. So we're gonna meet them, and after that we're gonna roam around. I don't know what's gonna happen. After that we're gonna go to the Marriott Hotel because they invited us for dinner. Yeah, dining. But for the dining, they actually prepared a vegan meal for us. Yeah, that's amazing. And at 8 o'clock we're gonna head to their spa, and Mom is gonna have a spa treatment there. And Kyujin and I are gonna have a hand massage. Oh, amazing! All from Marriott Hotel. And then the day after that, it's really great. Oh my god! Today was so amazing meeting our cuties.
So hope you cuties enjoyed this vlog.
By the way, the weather was not bad at all. Yeah, I hope it does not rain tomorrow. Today's weather was today didn't rain at all. But the humidity, wow. Crazy. I am very surprised. She curled her hair, but in a few minutes it all went back. Yeah. Oh my god.
So hope you guys enjoyed this DTV, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.